Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. I am your Deepak Prasad S, studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today's video is on the subject waste management. Subject code is BETCK105F. I study in Devu section SEM 1. My Campex ID is 23CA1558. So the topic for today is effective waste management, which is one of the main concerns due to the population increase in the world. And also when the industrialization started, since that moment, waste management has become a matter of concern in this world. Nowadays, the situation is getting too worse as we do not have effective waste management and also due to the population. Today, we are going to discuss about record keeping, controls and the reduction techniques used in the process of effective waste management. Let's start with the topic. Coming to the introduction part, effective waste management is essential for health and safety of our communities. There are a lot of effective disposing of waste such as recycling and reusing the products, but the reality is that we are not using any of these methods. All these all these will be effective only if we strive to initiate them in our everyday life. Still, if we are not aware about the harmful side of the waste disposal, then the condition is going to get more worse. So, this video provides various waste management strategies including record keeping, control of the effective waste, inventory and also the monitoring. Why effective waste management system is important? Effective waste management is crucial for several reasons, including protecting the environment, minimizing the health risks, and reducing costs associated with waste disposal. First point which we are going to discuss is the record keeping. Why record keeping is important? Accurate and detailed record keeping is essential for effective waste management. It helps to identify the types of waste generated and track their disposal. It also helps to ensure compliance with regulations and reduces the risk of penalties or fines. So here we are going to see what type of information should be recorded during the process of record keeping. So the first type is type and quantity of waste generated. Second type is date and time of waste generation. Third type is name and contact information of waste generator, and the fourth type of record is method of waste disposal. These are the main points or information which should be recorded during the process of effective waste management. Coming to the next part, types of record keeping. Paper records and digital records are the two types of record keeping. Paper records are nothing but maintaining accurate paper records for tracking waste generation and disposal. This includes keeping track of types of waste generation, the quantities produced, and the methods of disposal. Paper records should be stored in a secure location and updated regularly. But now, most of the time, digital records are kept. Digital records keeping systems can offer significant advantages over paper records. They can be more easily searched and filtered, reducing the time and effort required to locate specific information. They can be more secure with access restricted to the authorized users. Finally, digital records can be easily backed up and stored offsite, reducing the risk of data loss, which concludes that digital records has more advantages compared to paper records. So now coming to the next topic, waste control measures, types and implementations. Here we are going to know the types of waste control measures which are used in effective waste management system, and also how we are going to implement the waste control measures in the effective waste management system. So now coming to the types of Waste control measures. There are three types of waste control measures. They are: first type of waste control measure is known as source control. This involves reducing the amount of waste generated at the source. It includes measures such as product redesign, process modification, and also material substitution. Second type is known as recycling, which is a common word which is used. This recycling involves the collection and processing of waste materials to produce new products. Recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and conserve natural resources. Third, third type of waste control measures is treatment and disposal of the waste. This involves the safe and responsible disposal of waste that cannot be recycled or restored. Treatment methods include incineration, landfilling, and also composting. Here are the implementations and control measures. To effectively implement control measures, it is important to identify the type and quantity of waste generated, develop a waste management plan that includes control measures, train employees on waste management practices, monitor waste generation and disposal, regularly review and update the waste management plan. So these are the implementation and control measures. Coming to the third part, which we are going to discuss in this video, waste reduction techniques. There are three types of waste reduction techniques. They are source reduction, recycling, and composting. Source reduction is nothing but avoiding the creating of waste in first place, so that there is no waste generated and less amount of waste can be generated. Next comes the recycling, which we have already discussed in the last slide. Recycling is nothing but the process of converting materials into new materials and objects. Okay. Then composting. Composting is the process of turning organic waste into nutrient rich soil, which can be more useful to the nature or mother earth. So here's the conclusion of this video. Waste reduction techniques or best practices can further enhance a company's sustainability efforts and help them comply with legal requirements. By conducting a cost-benefit analysis and considering case studies, business can make informed decisions about their waste management strategies and see how positive impact on both their operations and environment will occur. By implementing strategies such as record keeping, control inventory, and monitoring, businesses or governments can minimize their environmental impact, which also improves the bottom line through cost saving and increased efficiency in the effective waste management. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye. Take care.